Hey guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dares to DIY, and I really want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say a big hello, or if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back, my friend. I'm so excited about today's video because y'all, it's time for the big reveal. This is the reveal for our Pottery Barns inspired Halloween series that I've been working on. There's 9 videos total, and there's everything from decor to party wear to just plain fun. There's something for everybody in this series, and I can't wait to show y'all what it all looks like put together and out, and how it's going to look for my party. So this is a dry run. It's not quite time for the party. It's still a little early, and the party's not for a couple more weeks. So I did want to do a dry run for y'all because I did not want to make y'all wait a couple more weeks until you got to see the big reveal. So this is like a pre-party reveal, I guess you could say. And I can't wait for y'all to see it. And y'all, if you enjoy this series, give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Now, if you are subscribed but you don't have those notifications turned on, you're totally missing out. So subscribe and also turn on the notifications because you don't want to miss a single DIY. After this Halloween series is done, I'm going to start on Christmas, y'all. So stay tuned. And y'all, if you have not already, be sure to check out my blog, mamadarestodiy.com. And there's lots of fun DIY stuff there that you're not going to see anywhere else, not even on YouTube. So subscribe, notifications, visit the blog, give it some likes, give it some thumbs up. And y'all, if you really enjoyed this video, share it with your friends because that's what good friends do. We share things we love with our friends. So y'all, without further ado, let's get started. Hey y'all, are you ready for the big reveal? Little man's ready for the big reveal. Hey buddy. Okay, here we go. Y'all, I am so excited about how this table turned out. I think the addition of the pops of color with the orange are just the thing that this table needed to bring in that Halloween spirit. I absolutely love how this turned out. And check out those bandanas. They're real similar to the Pottery Barn napkins that are from this whole set. And I just think they are the perfect thing to go on this table. And this little skeleton spider guy, he is just absolutely adorable too. I'm really proud of this table, and I'm also proud of the budget that we stayed in, and I could not be more over the moon excited for this party.